Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into how to set up your project notifications preferences, a vital part of managing your workflow. Let's kick things off by signing into your project management platform. This is where all the magic happens and where you can control what kind of information comes to your way. Next up, navigate to the Settings option, usually found at the top right corner of your dashboard. The reason we do this is to access the specific area where we can manage our notification preferences. Once you're in Settings, look for a tab or menu item that says Notifications. Click on it. This is where you'll be able to customize your notifications according to your personal preference and project needs. Now, you should see various options for different types of notifications. These could include task updates, new comments, project changes, and deadline reminders. Choose the ones that you want to be notified about. The purpose of this step is to avoid unnecessary interruptions and stay focused on what matters most to you in your project. Once you've made your selections, don't forget to save your changes. This ensures that your preferences are updated and you'll start receiving notifications based on your selection. To wrap things up, it's important to remember that setting up your project notifications preferences helps you stay on top of your tasks without being overwhelmed by unnecessary information. You can always come back and adjust these settings as your project evolves or your needs change. And that's it. A simple yet effective way to manage your project notifications. So go ahead, take control of your workflow and make your project management experience smoother. Until next time, happy project managing.